How to unlock a Facebook account. So in order to unlock your Facebook account, you first need to head over right here to your three lines and then click on your name right there. Now you can see in here this you lock your profile option right here. This means that you have locked your profile, and in order to unlock it, you just need to head over and click on the three dots just beside the edit profile option. From in there, you can see in here all of the settings that you can do so. So as it's right here, professional mode is turned off because you have locked your profile. Now, if you want to unlock it, you can simply in here this unlock profile option. So what you can do is you can just head over and click on that. And then from in there, click on this unlock option. Then click on this unlock your profile. And then after that, this will load. And as you can see, you have unlocked your profile and the unlock profile option has actually removed. And you can see right here that it's now public. So that's how you unlock a Facebook account. Hope we helped.